Welcome back everyone. In this video I want to show you a cool effect called the dynamic photo effect on TikTok and how to use it. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this is an effect where it brings your photo to life. This is similar to MyHeritage app, where when you point it to a photo, it makes it come to life. The eyes and the mouth starts to move. So let me show you how to use it. Open your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover. On the search bar, search for Dynamic Photo. It should appear under Effects and it should look like this. Now scroll through some of the video examples on how other people have used this effect. When you're ready, tap on Try this effect. Now this will take you into TikTok's video recording screen. The camera will switch to your back camera and you'll need to point the camera to a photo. Here I have an example of a photo on my MacBook, and as you can see, the eyes and the mouth of the person is moving. It's quite spooky when you try this filter out on several photo frames around your house. And there you go, that is how to use the dynamic effect on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.